everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sahana Kulkarni. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you why skincare is important and how do we gonna care it, and why we have to care that much. And some people doesn't have their skincare, they don't follow the skincare routine. So I'm gonna tell you why we have to, and why, and I learned something about from my mistakes. So I'm gonna share you my experience and my mistakes, whatever I have just started using it, and I felt really visible, the changes in my face. And even my skin is really going good because I had tanned little bit of much, and I am dry skin. So my skin was really feeling so flaky and dry, and the pimple also were there. Now also I face pimple. You can just see this pimple area here. You have to care the pimple so much when it active. So I'm gonna tell you about that. And before I'm gonna tell you that how you have to the remove makeup, and what kind of makeup removal you have to use it. You can use any oil based, like micellar water. You can use Dermaco, Garnier, anything you feel like comfortable. And this is not expensive also. I'm gonna suggest you this comes in this big bottle, and this is not so expensive. Dermaco, you know that Bioderma is really like really expensive. Like it is like 100 something, about 1,000 rupees. It is like um it is 1100 plus, I think. I don't know how, I didn't see the rate, but in sale you may get this discount. But if you're sensitive skin, you can use that. It also have small quantity of small bottle of Bioderma, so you can go and use that. Or you're comfortable with this, using this is like under 500 rupees, I think. Yes, it is for 400 rupees, and it comes full of this. Some people doesn't like this one, but it goes good on me. So I'm using this, and the wet tissue paper. I had that, but you can use the microfiber cloth also. You can just wash it. You can save the nature, but I had that, but I have to use it. I don't want to waste it, so I'm using that. Then later you have to wash your face properly. You can use any face wash about your skin type. You can use like that. So this is the Khadi one. You can This is Ayurvedic, and it goes with all the skin types. So I'm using this in this brush. This is silicone based brush, so I'm using this is the WAF's face wash. It was got empty, so I had this, the Khadi one. I couldn't repurchase the WAF face wash. It is also really good, and I'm washing it. I'm the applying the face wash, circular motion, and later I'm gonna wash it and wipe it. I'm not gonna wipe it. I'm gonna tap dry it, because if you tap dry, if you wipe it and go harsh with your skin, it may cause fine lines or wrinkles. So you have to be so gentle on your skin. If you're dry skin or oily or a combination or sensitive, you have to be careful with your skin. So later, after tap drying it, I'm gonna use the toner. You can use any toner according to skin type or anything. So this is the inexpensive product which I brought, which is the Dabur Gulabri Rose Water. It is in a spray kind of thing. I just sprayed it all over my face, and tap dried it, and removed excess by the same cloth whichever I washed, wiped my face. And later I'm gonna apply the moisturizer. This is the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer, which is really amazing and good for my the dry skin. So I'm applying it a dotted form. I really like that kind of, like that to do it. And I'm gonna like massage it all over my face. And even don't forget to make a your neck and your sides here, and also massage it to your, and you can go upward. You can just if you have a double chin problem, or your face is so round like me, it goes with good on you. So yeah. Next, I'm gonna tell you the first step. You have to know about your skin, which is your skin type. If your skin is dry like me, you can use any product like which gives you hydrating. And next, you have combination skin. You have to see how you can check it. I'm gonna tell you later. So you have to use according to that. You have to use less oily, and it also be it also should be hydrating. Then then it should be the drying and hydrating also. Also it should be good for your skin. It doesn't look of when you are applying the makeup, or when you go out, don't consume more oil and looks your makeup cakey. So later I'm gonna tell you about the oily skin. Same about the combination skin. Same the thing. You should use the hydrating one. All the skincare, and if you have a active acne, you have to take care of that so much, because should not try to should not touch that pimple, and you have to take care of it so much. You have to massage it gently. If it breaks or something, it causes really all over all your face. So I have did the same. I didn't care about this, I just left it. I cared it little bit of the you have to massage it all your face. You can use anything. You should not should not use any product on that. You should not be harsh for that. So mark is there. There's a acne scar on my skin. You can do is you can apply the Medelma cream which comes. You can apply this, and 10 weeks it goes off. So I had a pimple here somewhere. Here also one pimple was there this side here, in the lockdown or any time. So I did the same, and no mark. Little bit of the tiny part of a scar is left here, but it's okay. And yeah, I have a dark circles, very bad dark circles here. I just covered it with a concealer and the corrector. So for the dark circles, you have to take care of your dark circles by applying the eye cream or anything. And I have the lines here. So if you have to avoid the dark circles, you have to do is you have to have a good sleep, 8 hours sleep. So yeah, good sleep, and don't should not be a disturbed sleep, and it has to be so calm and beautiful sleep. So yeah, and also it affects your health if you doesn't sleep well. You may get headache, or you may be irritated whole day, and your whole work will be pending before because of your irregular sleep. So yeah. Then I'm gonna tell you how you have to know your skin type, which is you have to wash your face, cleanse your face first, and leave it for a few minutes. And you have to if your skin is dry, it doesn't have any sweating or anything, because that is your dry skin. Then next, combination skin. How you gonna like say is same, cleanse your face and leave it for a few minutes. And your T-zone, this and this nose and ear, you'll get sweating. The oil consumption will be more than it is your combination skin. And here this part will be very dry, so that is your combination skin. Then oily skin, same. You have to do cleanse your face and leave it for a few minutes, and you'll get the sweating problem all over your face. Here part and T-zone will be so oily. You'll face it. So that is how you know about your skin type. So my skin type is dry, so I have used this product. So if your skin is oily, you can use which has hyaluronic acid in it, like a Pond's. You can use a Pond's, a blue color round. I'll leave in the description somewhere. And combination skin, you can use same for the oily skin, for the acne prone skin or active acne. You can use the AHA BHA. In every skin type, this one you have to look for the AHA and BHA, which is good for your skin. And for the oily skin, you have to see hyaluronic acid, which hydrates your skin and helps to hold the oil in your face. And for the makeup, you have to, if not you should, if you're interested in doing makeup, I'm gonna suggest you that use a don't use a baking, don't bake your skin where your skin produces more oil, because it makes your skin cakey, and it goes very you'll look like very white, and it leaves so much oil, and you look cakey. And this part, and this eye part, and here this pores, if you have a large pores, you can use the toner, which is like if you can use any toner. I have to do research, so many research, but I did this research. And why skincare is important to us, because in this situation here, if you live in Mumbai or Bangalore, or any where you have so much pollution, this all earth is really bad because of pollution. And we have so many vehicles, and you'll see around it, and humid. So this is the winter, but since this is the winter, but all over you have a pollution, so you have to take care of your skin so much. So I feel to do that, and I feel so happy. And yeah, so once you come from anywhere, you went for shopping or anywhere out from outside, when you come in your home, first thing, if you're wearing makeup, remove the makeup properly and wash your face with a cold water or a normal water. And take a ice cube and rub it all of your face, which calms your skin. And also you have to apply the skincare in every season, because it is really important. If you're sitting in front of the light, or the sun, or a normal sun, you'll get, not like that you'll get a tan, but you'll get a skin irritating. Somebody have an allergy, that will get a rashes, and your face will be red, and that is not so good. So you can apply the sunscreen before you leave from the house to outside. So this is the all the the winter season skincare routine, and why skincare is really important. And I have learned from my mistakes that you have to maintain your skin properly. You'll get my skin was really irritating for me and so dry. Once I started this skincare, I'm feeling so good. My skin is really good. And also you have to apply the face mask, any face mask which you are comfortable. And inexpensive one, I'm gonna tell you the Multani Mitti by VLCC. It also have good fragrance, the lavender oil, and it has good the smell. And if you don't want to invest in anything, you can use a home remedy that is linked with, I mean, the all the recipe, the remedy will be in the description, but I'm gonna tell you orally, which is you have to take a one spoon of 1 tablespoon of gram flour, which is um, gram flour, and the turmeric powder in one half teaspoon. Then two tablespoon of the milk, and you have to mix it, and you have to apply all of your face and the neck. Don't forget the neck. Then leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and you will feel a tightening effect. You can go and wash it, and wash it with the warm water, and also must scrub it a little bit off, because it is so hard, and you should not do very harsh for your skin. Then later you'll get tan will be removed if you are tanned, and you'll get a new glowing, and all your cheeks and your nose, it will be like you'll feel so beautiful and fresh. And later on you can apply the any toner. Then you can use a moisturizer and the lip balm, and you're good to go. So, and also using scrubs for your face, which is really important. When you have a clogged pores, you can the pores will be opened up when you use the scrub. Any scrub according to your skin type, you can use it for a week, once in a week you have to use only once. And the face pack should be applied twice in a week to get a good result. So that's it for today's video. So I hope this video helped you, and also follow the skincare routine if you haven't. I should not you that is It's not like that you have to spend so much money, and you have to buy it. I'm gonna tell you the products for the dry skin, that is so affordable, which is this Dabur Gulabari. It comes in this packaging. It is for 75 rupees, and this is so this goes with any skincare skin type, because this has rose water, and rose water is so good for you. It purifies your blood, and gives you glow, natural glow and pink effect. It is visibly showing for me. Then I'm using this peach milk. If you're dry skin, you can use this peach milk. This is also inexpensive. This is for 349. The small one also you get. This is this one for this is I don't know what. Now this is the 250 gram. You'll get 80 gram, or any small one. You can start by using small quantity, and if you like this, you can go with a large quantity also. Next I'm applying and next time I'm gonna suggest you the lip balm. If your lips are chapped or anything, you can use a scrub, which is the sugar and the honey scrub. After the scrub you can apply the any lip balm which is good for you. And the good moisturizer, the lip moisturizer, is you can go with the Vaseline or Himalaya. The one I leave in the description, you can go and check it out, that one. And yeah, everything will be good for you. For the all skin types, any lip balm goes amazing. So I use Himalaya and Vaseline. And for the night sleeping mask, I'm gonna use the Laneige. It has got NT today, so I just placed it order last week, so it is not so expensive. But the for the lip balm it is expensive, because it's a 500 rupees. So I don't want to suggest you guys, because it's expensive. Or if you want to try it out, you can go and try it out. So now today I'm applying this lip balm. This is the lip balm by the Baby Lips one. This is the red one. It is really good. If you don't like to apply any lipstick, you can go with it. So yeah, if you want to try it out any product which I suggested, link will be I will mention in the description box. And also follow me on my Instagram handle is in the description box. So yeah, I'm gonna meet you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. And also like, share and subscribe. If you're new here, hit the bell notification to get subscribed, and to get notified whenever I upload my new video. And it's free. It's for free. You have to not pay anything for subscribing this channel or any YouTube channel. So I'm gonna go. Bye and take care. Be a better version of yourself. Be happy and stay safe. Bye.